I'm doing this. So some people came into my DM, and whenever they see an arbitrage opportunity, they said, "Bro, don't go and tell people on your YouTube channel." Me, I would say, because I don't care. You know why? Because even if it casts, it will come back. It will come back. No one can stop arbitrage. You understand? It has come to stay, so no problem. I'll tell you, go and make your money too. So, hey, so you guys have not heard about the new arbitrage opportunity that is going on. So, menace are making money. You are sleeping. Yeah, ritual swada. All right, no problem. Let me show you the new one. You know, that's why I'm telling you that you have to subscribe to this channel so that anytime I drop the key, you'll be able to grab it faster and you also make yours. You understand? Because the last time I dropped a video about an arbitrage opportunity between Kenya and Nigerians about this AstroPay and the Binance arbitrage opportunity. And right after I dropped the video, within few days, it's just cast. You understand? The AstroPay, I don't know whether the AstroPay, they saw the video and they found out that people are taking advantage of our prices. Sake of right after I dropped that arbitrage opportunity, it cast within few days because it was an arbitrage opportunity between Kenyans and Ghanaians where they were taking advantage of over the prices on the AstroPay and the Binance P2P. You understand? So people made money on it. You understand? Myself, I also made money. But this current one is also the same arbitrage opportunity between Kenya and Ghana again. And Kenyans, I don't know why their dollar rate is always stable. It has been like $129 or $130 for a very long time. And the Ghana cedis is going 11 cedis, 12 cedis, 14 cedis, 15 cedis. So you see, it means that you can always take advantage over the prices. And we are not the cause of the price difference. You understand? So arbitrage is actually legal, safe, and risk-free. You understand? Because the moment you see that the price is low here and the price is higher here, you can just buy low here and go and sell higher there. You understand? It's so easy. So in this video, I'm going to review the current arbitrage opportunity that people are actually making money on right now. You understand? So by the end of this video, you are also going to trade and you are going to make your money right now. You understand? You can choose to ignore, no problem. Because the more even people trade it, the more it casts. You understand? So you can choose to ignore, but just that for me, I feel like, okay, if people are chopping, you should also chop. You understand? After all, even if it's cast, another one will come. So no problem. So let me share with you. It has been there for weeks, but it's now that I'm sharing to you. It's still there. You understand? So if you are a Ghanaian and if you're a Nigerian, pay attention to. If you're a Ghanaian and if you're a Kenyan, pay attention to this video. You understand? Even Nigerians, pay attention to this video. Or even if you are not a Ghanaian or you are not a Kenyan or you are not a Nigerian, but you have a bank account in Ghana and you have a bank account in Kenya. You understand? Still pay attention to this video. So far as you are a crypto trader, pay attention. You can still, maybe your brother or your sister has a bank account in Kenya or Nigeria or Ghana. You can still do it and still cash out. Let's cash out. If it casts, another one will come. I'll share. You understand? No problem. So this arbitrage, in case you don't know anything about arbitrage just means that taking advantage over the price differences. Taking advantage, you understand? We are not the cause of the price changes or the price differences. Like, why is the dollar rate here lower than the dollar rate here at this particular point? You understand? We didn't cause that. We are not. But if it comes, we go chop on it. You understand? We are going to make money on it. We are going to cash out on it. And it doesn't matter whether you are a professional crypto trader or you are a beginner. It doesn't matter. Follow this video. It doesn't matter. You understand? Okay, so with this arbitrage, what you need is a Binance account and you need another thing. And during this video, I'm going to tell you what you need next. Okay, so you follow. So you need a Binance account. If you don't have it, go and get it. So when you get your Binance account, go on straight to P2P. Go to trade, okay? And go to P2P. Like this. So when you come to P2P, go to the Ghana cedis. You understand? The Ghana cedis P2P system. You see that Look at the first group of people. Some people are selling it 11.5. You know, I'm doing this so some people came into my DM and whenever they see an arbitrage opportunity, they said, bro, don't go and tell people on your YouTube channel. Me, I would say, because I don't care. You know why? Because even if it casts, it will come back. It will come back. No one can stop arbitrage. You understand? It has come to stay, so no problem. I'll tell you, go and make your money too. So the first group of people has 11.5. 11.5. They are selling dollar at 11.5. 11.5, 11.7. Why is it that some people are selling it here 12.15? It tells you that these merchants here, they are not Ghanaians. They are Kenyan merchants, you understand? But they've come on the Ghana platform to sell at 11.5, which is legal, you understand? It is P2P. P2P is legal. I have decided to sell my dollars for 11.5. You can't do anything. You understand? It is price. It is market. You understand? And the Ghanaians over here are selling it 12.15, 12.15. It doesn't matter. You understand? Because if you think you can sell 11.5, sell it. Sell it. And you see you are going to run at a loss. Because the Kenyans, the Kenyans, is because of their currency. It has been $129 for a long time. So they take the USDT to 4 ball. You understand? They take it to 4 ball. So we Ghanaians, because of our currency, we can get it that price. So you can do that. So when they come, then they come and scatter the market. They say that you see, look at the payment method here. Transfer with specific bank. Transfer with specific bank. Transfer with specific bank. So anytime you see transfer with specific bank, you know that this particular merchant is not actually a Ghanaian merchant. They want you to transfer with a specific bank. So we are going to buy from these particular merchants. Then we will sell it on the same Ghana market to our Ghanaian brothers. You understand? You see some people are selling 12.13. It means that if we are able to buy the dollar at 11.5 from these merchants, let's say 11.5. Let's do a calculation here. Assuming that we are buying 1,000 Ghana cedis, you understand, divided by 11.5. You understand? We are going to get 86.9 USDT. So when you get the 86.9 USDT, let's sell it on the Ghana cedis platform. That is 12.13, let's say. So when you sell it 12.13, it means at the end of the day, you are going to make 69 Ghana cedis profit on the 1,000 cedis, and you keep on doing it. So you do 2 you get 100 cedis. You do, let's say 100 cedis. You do 1,000 within 2 minutes. You buy here, you sell here, 200 cedis. You buy here, you sell 300 cedis. You just be growing the account just like that. So how do we even send money to these people? Now, when you click on buy on any of them, you understand, buy, you see that transfer is specific bank, and they say that Standard Chartered to M-Pesa only. So with this particular merchant, you need Standard Chartered bank account in Ghana, not in Kenya, in Ghana. You understand? And you transfer the money from the Standard Chartered bank account internationally to Kenyan merchant M-Pesa account. You understand? Just if you are buying 1,000 cedis, just type in 1,000 cedis in the international bank account. You understand? Standard Chart, and send it to M-Pesa. Whatever they are going to receive is their own problem. The fees is very low. Some of the fees is very low. So you don't need to trade like 500 cedis, 500 cedis. No, you can trade like from 2,000 cedis upwards, so that the fees, even if the fees is 20 cedis, no problem. Because if the fees is 20 cedis, you are going to make 100 cedis, so no problem. If you transfer 5,000 cedis and the fees is 50 cedis, no problem. You understand? So you need a Standard Chartered bank account. Not only Standard Chartered bank account, I discovered that you also need EcoBank account. So Standard Chartered bank account and EcoBank account. Actually, any bank in Ghana can do this international transfer, because the bank rate in Ghana is actually good. From Ghana cedis to Kenya. You understand? It's very good. Any bank, but the EcoBank and the Standard Chartered bank account, I've realized that one is the fastest. It goes internationally, if you are sending money from Ghana using EcoBank and Standard Chartered bank account to M-Pesa or to any Kenyan bank account, it's just within few minutes and it's gone. By other banks, it will go, but it may take 1 day or few hours or maybe 2 days. That's why people are using the Standard Chartered and the EcoBank, because it's very fast. You understand? So let's go to another merchant. When you come to this merchant, you see that no Momo, only Standard Chart to M-Pesa. Why is it Standard Chart, Standard Chart, Standard Chart? You understand? Yes, because of the arbitrage and the rates on Standard Chart and EcoBank. You see, come to this merchant. No Momo here, Standard Chartered. So everybody transfer a specific bank, transfer a specific bank, saying no Momo, Standard Chartered. EcoBank, you see, send to EcoBank to M-Pesa. Standard Chartered Bank into M-Pesa. Done. So assuming that we want to buy from this merchant and we click on buy like this and we type, let's say, the amount that we are sending. You understand? Let's say 1,000 cedis. It means that when you go to EcoBank, that's what you are going to type. You see, you will receive 86.51. Let's assume that this 86.51, we come to the Ghana cedis and click on sell. You understand? We'll sell to these merchants. Click on sell like this and click on that 86.5. You see that you are going to receive 1,048 cedis. Keep on doing it. All right. If you're a Ghanaian and you have EcoBank account, you have Standard Chartered bank account, come to Binance P2P and send money from EcoBank account to a Kenyan merchant. You understand? From EcoBank account to a Kenyan merchant. That person will give you Kenyan bank account details. You understand? So if it's 1,000 cedis, go to EcoBank app. Or the EcoBank app, sometimes you can use the rapid transfer, but the rates there is actually not good. So you can go use internet banking or you can use rapid transfer. You understand? EcoBank rapid transfer to M-Pesa or international transfer to bank account. The rate is still cool. You still make some profit. I think EcoBank, I tried with rapid transfer and the profit margin is very small. It's like around, I'm making profit of 20 cedis on 1,000 Ghana. It's too small. But Standard Chartered, you're going to make boom. You understand? You're going to make very great profit. And it's not the fault of, you are going to make profits. And it's not the fault of Standard Chartered. It's not our fault, or it's not EcoBank's fault, or it's not anyone's fault. You understand? It's just the price. It's just the market. It's just the market's fault. It's not our fault. And if you're a Ghanaian, you also have Standard Chartered Bank, go to Binance P2P and send money to this particular merchant. They will release your USDT to you. When you get your USDT, you go to the same Ghana market and sell it there. So your 1,000 cedis that you sent on EcoBank will pass through Binance and will come back from Binance selling P2P back as like 1,060 cedis. Keep on looping the process till you buy your Lamborghini. However, international transfers has a limit. I think $10,000 or so, depending on the bank. 10,000 euros or $10,000 or $15,000. International transfer has a limit. So if you finish your Standard Chartered bank account, go to your mother and take her Standard Chartered bank account to EcoBank and start again. Bro, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and hit the like button. Let me know what you think. You understand? I'm going to bring more keys. So don't worry. All right. Don't worry. Stay with me. Okay. We're going to make money together. I'm going to show you a lot how to make money on even Binance P2P, YouTube. Charlie. See you next time. Chris Meadow!